all the basics of TypeScript. The thing which is remaining, I just want to show a project with React TypeScript. So hope you know React. You have been following my channel. If you don't know, please follow my channel and do the React thing. From there, we do a lot of React videos, and we have some very good updates also coming on the channel, which I'm going to tell soon. And please, if you are not attended our if you want to start from the beginning, we have our 3 hours web dev workshop tomorrow at 3 p.m. IST as always. So please do attend that. And what else? I will tell more. Actually, I released the book also, which I was telling for the past 3 days. I've released the book also. So tell more about it later on. And so let me share my screen now. So I'm sharing my screen. So as I told, we are going to build a React project today. Okay, so with, of course, with TypeScript. Okay, so what we need to do, so the first thing which we need to do is we need to use a different command. So those who know how to create a React project, and I will give all this code also, so they know that we do npx create React app, npx create React app, and then we give the app name, maybe like I will give the app name as party app. Okay, so it will create a React project with JavaScript. React by default take JavaScript. So if I want to use TypeScript here, what I need to do, I have to, after the create React app, I have to do dash dash template, and template will be type script. Template will be TypeScript. Okay, template will type. So there should be a space here. So it should be like this. Okay, dash dash template TypeScript, and please notice that all the spellings should be right. And then party app I'll do. So party app I'm doing, and okay. So this is a simple party app in which, and it is also part of the book which I've just released. When we're going to release the course also soon. Okay, so video course will be there. So we have covered the basics of TypeScript, but the complete of JavaScript is in the book and is in the course also. Okay, so that will be there. So next, what we are going to do, uh, next, let it get created. It is taking some time. So what I was telling, this party app, what this party app will have, simple, so I want to invite some people on the party, so I can make a list of it. So simple app, not, it will not take much time, but the main thing is to understand how to add TypeScript in React.js project, how to give the types in a React.js project. It will be simple project, and we're going to see that. Okay, okay, so this is done. And so I'm go here cd party app and open it with VS Code. Okay, and npm start. Those who have seen a React project will see the first difference here itself. So this is the famous React logo which I'm getting. But see here, it is mentioning me that edit app.tsx file, not JSX file or JS file, TSX file. So means it's a TypeScript. And also I have this famous tsconfig.json file also I have. And today also the your attendance will be given as always. Okay, so this is a participation certificate will be given. Okay, so if I go to SRC, see all the TSX files are there. No JS file is there. Every TSX file is there. So I've got TSS. I will copy. Maybe I will make it a bit smaller because it's way too big. Okay, so that is there. Now, what we need to do? Okay, so in the app.js file only, will going to go here, and React Windows we're not using React and logo. I will remove, and then this all I will remove. Okay, so we'll have a simple state of people, and let us do that. So const people, and we'll use the use state hook, set people equal to use state, use state have done, and then here it will be a array of objects. Okay, array of objects. Okay, so it is this people will be array of object, so that is okay, it will be an array of object. But the main thing is that if it, even if it's an array of object, what are the types of it? The main thing is the types, not that it's an array of object. So let us first give me this array of object, then we'll see a type. Maybe the name is John, comma, age is 40, img is, so we'll have all these things. Img, where is, okay, so let me take a random image, random image. This one I'll take, and comma note. So whoever is our guest, we will make a note allergic to response. So that is there. Similar to this, I will make another Mary 25, and I think it is woman. Woman allergic to X. Okay, so this is like this, and after this, let me also have H1. Okay, people list birthday party, list birthday party. So that is all okay, and it is also giving me an error and all. Okay, name, string, number, using index type and all. Okay, so that is okay. Use state is giving me error because we have not even given the types of it. Okay, so let us give the types of it. Let us see. Okay, so here, anyways, I'm doing one thing wrong. Actually, use state generally have this. Okay, so it should not give error. Okay, so use state I have forgot to give that. That's what is giving error. But anyways, we are not using JavaScript. We want to use TypeScript. So we should give the type of this thing. Okay, and we have learned how to give the type of it, of this thing. You should use this thing. Okay, this thing, I think it is was in generic, I think. Okay, so whatever that, so it should be like this. Then it is a array of objects. So array of object is there, and each one of the objects, so you have to give inside in React, you have to give it inside this pointed brackets. Okay, then I'll come here and do a name string age number I am G string note string. Okay, so see, now it is not giving error. So this is how you give it. Array inside this type of bracket, pointed brackets, I'll give a array of objects and whatever the type of it. This we have seen, array of object, we give it like this. So this is how the first thing is. The main thing is that this is how we give the type of a in a use state of an array of object. So now let us send this thing. We will create a file. Okay, we'll create a file like okay, one sec. Okay, so okay, so we will create a in the src, I'll create a components folder, and in the components folder I will create a people list dot exx. Okay, I will also tell a shortcut. Okay, rafce, maybe I'll do rafce, save it so that I don't get any error. See, TypeScript, even if you don't complete the file, it will give you error. Okay, so it is like this. So now what I want to do, I want to pass this people list here. Okay, So hello Makhan. So we need to pass this people list, and here I'll go, and after this people list I'll do, and I will pass a people equal to people I'll do. Okay, so I'm passing this people whole array. I'm passing the whole array. I'm passing, but soon we are going to face a problem. The problem is not because of JavaScript, not because of React and all, because of TypeScript. We need to give what will be the type of the props, and there is a shortcut which I'm going to tell in TypeScript, very good shortcut or a cheat sheet. See, when you hover my mouse over it, it will give the type of it. It will give the type of it. Okay, so this type, I will do one thing. This type I will copy it and keep it safe. Okay, I will copy it because it will be required. Okay, so this is a trick to be used in React and TypeScript. Okay, so the first thing which will go here is in this I'm getting a props. So the props is of people, so I will destructure it. Now this is again a React concept. I'll destructure it. Now what I need to do, I need to anyways we're going to look through, that's a different thing, but where to give the type of it. So the type of it we give in a TypeScript like this. First we have to give this, like in the class, in the function name here, react dot FC means functional component, and then I will give iProps. You can take some other name, but most of the time you see the people taking as iProps. So it's like you should take it as iProps. And this iProps, I will do it as an interface interface iProps, and then see that people thing which I have copied, I'll paste it in. People is of name of string, age of number, image, and this. So it's like the people is like a array of objects. So that is what I am giving. People is a array of object. So that is there. Now no error is there. Okay, so now we just have to show it. Okay, so I will, anyways I will save it and all. So okay, so now did I included it? Okay, included it. Okay, so people list is anyways coming one time. So I will do a ul and go here. People dot map, and we should call a single people as a person. You can make it as item also, but item doesn't seems to be a good singular thing for a people, so someone might get hurt. So yeah, so you should take something good. People, the singular of people is person. So then I will come here, and then I'll just show it again a bit of React code. Li dot list is there, then div dot list header is there, then img dot list img is there. Okay. Then here in the source, so source I will show this person dot img, and in this alt maybe person dot name I will show. And please please those who have not subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel. Person.img. Okay, person.img, and img is there, and h2 person dot name, and after this div p person dot age is years old, and p dot list node is person dot node. There, save it and see now everything is coming fine. Everything is coming fine. So one sec. One second. Okay, so we don't have a proper CSS in our file. So again, this is not a CSS course. So let me add some CSS. And as I told, the this it will be there in the GitHub, so you can take it from there. Okay, so I'll paste it here. So all this list and also we have just created this list and all. So all these things are there. Okay, I don't want it like this. Okay, so list and alls are there, and list input and all these things are there. I'll save it. So anyways, it will come like this. Okay, maybe my CSS requires a bit more. Okay, maybe this much is okay. So okay, so it is showing good. Now now it is showing all these things. Now we should have the capabilities to add people, so it should not be always hard coded, so we need to add people. So here also we'll learn some TypeScript features like how to give the input elements and all. So here we are going to create one more file, and that is in the components. I'll go and do add to people dot tsx, add to people dot tsx. I've done. And here again it will give me some error, because unless you give it, it always tries to gives you error. Sorry, FCE I've done, and given this thing, and now we'll take the user input to add the thing. So first thing is that const input comma set input equal to use state, and the name, because we need to take all those things. So name should be taken, comma, age should be taken, comma, note should be taken, comma, image should be taken. So all these things, img image should be taken. So all these things are taken. Now we will come here, and in this div I'll do a div of class name equal to add. Again we have CSS for all these things, add people and all. So the CSS will come. Okay, so I will have a input type text, and we're going to use one of the React trick, like not React trick, ES6 trick, to have only one on chain. So if you want to learn more about it on chain and all, we run this React.js course every month. We do this live every month. You can just see this previous recordings of the month of August will be there, because we do it every month. CSS, JavaScript, and React will be there every month, because that are the main thing to for you to become a web app developer. So that will be there every month on the channel. So you can see the previous one. Hello Nitesh Kumar on change equal to handle change. So this is something which I'm going to create, handle change, and let's have a class name also. Class name equal to add input, and name equal to name, because this is something which we are going to use, and value equal to input dot name, value equal to input dot name, and placeholder equal to name. Okay. So I've taken one four more because I have to take four more things. This one will be age, age, age. Next one will be image because I want to take a text area for the note. So I'll come here, image, image, or image. I will put URL because we will need to put the URL for the image. Okay, so that is there. And as I've told, this is a text area. This is a text area, and so why it is giving me error? Text area. Okay, so text area, and input name will be note, and this one also will be note, and this one also will be note. This one also will be note. Okay, so that is there. And let us have a button also. So button is add to list, add to list on click equal to handle click. So again a different function, handle click, and class name equal to add button. So this I have. Okay, so that is okay. So now this handle change I have to create. So it is again name is giving me error. So let us create this handle change. So I'll come here and do a const handle change equal to. Okay, so we have to pass this e here. So this is how we do e, we pass here, and then we'll have a set input. Let me first write the code because this e will also give error. It is not giving error because of where, it is giving error because of TypeScript. We have to give the type of the e, but what will the type? But even before that, set input, I will do something which we have done in the React when we're doing the forms in React. Okay, so dot 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 input will do. If you want to learn more about it, please see our React course and do e dot target dot name, and because that is something which I'm not going to explain now, e dot target dot value. Okay, so e dot target dot name, e dot target dot value. Anyways, most of you are going to learn TypeScript only after you learn React, and mostly you're going to learn if you're going to work in a big company like a enterprise company or even a big startup. Mostly small startup doesn't touch TypeScript because sometimes it's add more to everything. Although technically it saves a lot of time because the errors get caught very easily. So some of small startups also like this thing. Okay, so that is there. And e, okay, handle click is also giving error. And see, I have not given handle click, so it is giving me error even before saving. This thing you will not get in JavaScript. This thing you will not get in React JavaScript, but you will get it here. Even before saving me, it is giving me error. So that is the benefit of TypeScript. Const. So let me quickly first make it, and then I'll solve this thing. Okay, so const, and okay, we are going to make it soon, but not right now. Okay, like this it is there. So it is asking me to give the type of e. So what is the type of e? Type of e, I will go here, and it is React dot change event because it's a change event thing. Okay, then I have to use this thing, and my e is actually two things. One is either this input box or the text area, and input box are known as in TypeScript HTML input element, and text area are known as HTML text area element. Like this it has been. Okay, so these things are there, and see now no error is there, everything is like this green. So this is the main thing. The main thing is this, not all the other code. The main thing is the type of it, React dot change event, and this thing. Okay, so that is there. And now we will add this add to people in our app.tsx file. So here I will do a add to people, and then we'll do one thing here. Okay, add to people will do one thing here. So first thing I'll go here and do a people equal to people, one sec more, maybe our put a day 4 attendance here. Please put a day 4 attendance here. So final day attendance. So add to people is there, then add to people, anyways it is giving me error because I have not given a types and all those things there. And then set people. See, I'm doing one thing, it is a React thing. I'm passing the set people also here. What is the set people? Set people is this set function. So this is a React trick which we can do. Okay, set people, we are passing it. But one thing I want to see it here again, the thing, because it, or else it will not show me. So I want to see the type of it. Okay, again a cheat sheet. So I want to see the type of it. So I hovered my mouse over it, and then I will we can copy this also. Okay, so TypeScript and VS Code goes very well. That's why I always say that you need to use VS Code and VS Code always. So people are there who will say Atom, Sublime, and all. No, please use VS Code. VS Code is the best. Okay, so that is there. So that people have copied the type and it is giving me error. So that is okay. So app.tsx will go, and here add to people will go, and maybe I will save it, let it give some error, it doesn't matter. So I will go here and it will get, where is my hand? Okay, add to people is here, and here I will get two props. So one is set people comma people, set people and people I'm getting. And okay, the next thing which I will do is a React dot functional component and props. Props I'll do React dot functional component props, and then I'll do a interface props. It's like this. Let me first give the set people. Okay, we don't need. Okay, we need this thing. Okay, React dot dispatch and all, and this is the type of actually set people. This is a type of set people. Okay, so this is the type of set people which we have copied from here. React dispatch is the React set state action, because it's a state action, because it is like set state action, and then name, string, number, and all those things are there. Plus we have to give the people also. People we have already given, so why not take it from here? So people, I'll come here and give it here and go comma here and all. So this people is also done. So this all the type are done. Just now we is our TypeScript thing is over, so it is always showing like this, but the handle code is not over. So let us complete the code and we can see that it is done. If not of input dot name or not of input dot age or not of input dot img, not of input dot note. So this all things are there, then it is return. Is return if anything the user doesn't inputs. Okay, then we can use the set people here. So this is what the benefit of it. So passing set people as a props, and we're using it again a React thing. Okay, so set people needed to be dot 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 people, because it's an array of object and we're destructuring it, and then we need to give this name, age, image, and note. Where is the name, age, image, and whatever it is? Let me copy this thing. Okay, so name will be input dot name, age will be number, input dot age note will be input dot note, and image will be input dot img. So this is like this, all these things are there. Okay, so and one more thing I want to do is this set input. See, after add to list, that still remains here, so I don't want it to be still be there. So I'll do a set input, again a react uh, a react thing, or a JavaScript thing, not even a react thing, it's a JavaScript. Save it. Okay, so that is there. So now let me again do, so check to nothing. Okay, so let me take my image. I think this one is my image. So this I put add to list, and it is been shown. Okay, so it has been working fine, and everything has been working. And as I've told, the main thing was not this app and all. The main thing is how to add this type. See this react.fc, we have added like this, and then we have used the interface to do it. And then we have to give the type for this also, e event, we have to give a type for that also. Then here we have to give again the type for the props which is coming, and this props was a bit complicated, so given like this. So it's a small project to do this thing. Okay, so that is there. And today, as I have told, TypeScript is have ended, and this is, as I've told, this all is part of this book, and this is taken from this book which I have written. And the best thing is that this book was released yesterday, and this book is available worldwide to purchase. And this is the link. I will give the link also. Okay, so link to purchase book. Okay, so this is the link to purchase book, and this is not like it is $29 and all. Okay, so you can actually may come here and do it like this. It is $8. $8 is how much, means 7.99. It is very cheap. $7.99 in rupees, 636.700 rupees. And as I told, this book is like everything. I have everything. We have covered like this TypeScript basics. It has got TypeScript. If I show, this is there. Then TypeScript basics, we have completed all these things. TypeScript compilers are there. TypeScript it classes also, we have completed a lot. Interfaces is there. Advanced types are there. Generics are there, which we have not touched, but generics is a very important thing. Then we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 projects. We have completed one project, but we have a very big project, drag and drop project, which is like very awesome. And we also learn how to use module and webpack. Module and webpacks, in webpack, how to webpack is something which is used in React, but we will learn how to use it here. Okay, so this drag and drop project, which we have not done, drag and drop is like a very good nice project in which we are able to create this thing in which you can do drag thing. It is like a Trello. Those who use Trello, it is exactly like Trello. You can drag and drop things here from one place to another. Very good project, this one, and with complete TypeScript and React. Types, not React is not there. TypeScript, JavaScript, and TypeScript, and draggable things are there. So that is there. And with this, end to this stream, and hope you like it. And thank you all for attending this 4 days of TypeScripting. And this link to purchase I'll put in the description also, so you can find it from there. Okay, thank you all.